Hello students, I am Tasmeet, your art and craft teacher from DPA Shahid Path. Today we are going to do art activity which will be related to some cut work design. So basically you have to take your the alphabet of your name, the first alphabet of your name. Mine is T for Tasmeet. So we are going to make this today. T, and we have done some cut work over here, so you can decorate this on your doors, on your board, or anywhere you feel like. So let's start doing it. So here class, I've done all the cutting and it looks so beautiful. And now when I place this on some contrast sheet, it will look like this. You can stick it over here, and my name T with some cutout is ready. You can place this on top of your bed, on your doors. So make this of the alphabet of your name, first alphabet of your name, and you can use it anywhere to decorate. So please do make this at home. Thank you, children. So here we start, children. You need one sheet of paper, any color you can take. I've taken purple, which is in a rectangular shape. You need a pencil, you need a paper cutter, which you will use under some parents' guidance. You need a ruler, a small ruler can work also, and you need some textured paper like this. Okay. So now what we have to do is we are going to make first alphabet of her name. So here taken purple sheet, and what I have done is I have drawn here the name. My name is Tasmeet, so I have drawn a T over here, and I have drawn with lines with proper measurement. And so firstly I'll cut out the name, and after drawing your letter, like mine was T, so I've drawn a T. If yours is C, you can draw C, G, S, anything. And then you have to draw some flowers like this and some leaves. After this we will start cutting it down. We are basically doing some cut work over here. So we will start with the cut work, and then we'll cut the final paper. After drawing this design, I will start cutting the paper, and then we will cut the whole, we will take out the whole T with these designs. Okay, so let's start. So likewise, children, I've cut this first leaf of my hibiscus flower. Now similarly, we will cut the whole leaf, and design this will be visible when we apply a back sheet, so the whole design will pop. So children, here I've completed my first flower, the design flower which I have done here. See, okay, now I will make these leaves cut and this flower, and then the whole shape. I'll keep showing you step by step. So here, children, I've cut out some flowers and some leaves over here, and now this T is also done. Now these flowers and these leaves are left, so I'll just do this and show you. So here class, I've done all the cutting and it looks so beautiful. And now when I place this on some contrast sheet, it will look like this. You can stick it over here, and my name T with some cutout is ready. You can place this on top of your bed, on your doors. So please do make this at home. Thank you, children.